in these city gardens, in the cities normally because of the grey water and all, there's lot of polluted water going around, and then heavy infestation of mosquitoes. And one of the natural way to control mosquitoes is to you can breed the predators of the mosquitoes. That is, these mosquitoes are eaten by a couple of creatures which nature has created. One is dragonfly, another one is that damselfly, then frogs. These three species, they consume hell of a lot of mosquito larvae and mosquitoes. So the frog, those tadpoles, when they are in the water, they eat lot of mosquito larvae that are in the water. Dragonfly larvae also, dragonflies lay their eggs in these water bodies, and that eggs hatch and larva eats the mosquito larva in the water. Damselfly also. So all three start consuming the mosquito larva as soon as they see it in the water, and they all come out of the water after some time. So dragonfly larva becomes a dragonfly and then climbs out of the water and then flies off and catches mosquitoes in the air, flying. You can see them hovering around in the evenings and all. And the damselfly also, it when it grows up, it gets out of the water, that larva, and then the damselflies like more cool, moist places, and there they hang out in the and sit on branches and plants and all, and then they hunt the mosquitoes and flies and all. Then likewise, frogs also, when they come out of the water, they hop around and eat plenty of mosquitoes all through the night. So one of the best way to ecologically control mosquitoes in a garden is to have a water body. You should have fish inside there, because fish will keep it clean, and then they also eat the larva. Dragonfly and damselfly will come on their own. So once they see the water, they'll come and hang out near it, and they'll lay their eggs and all. If it is the water body has to be friendly for them, conducive. Then same with damselfly also. So when you get yourself a nice water body in your garden, you can get these ready-made. In fact, in our nursery also we are selling them. You can get one of these, and ready-made they can be plonked in there, and immediately you have regular flowers. This lily is nice. So as far as the aesthetics is concerned, you get these lilies every day, and I mean lot of times. Second, you have something that controls the mosquitoes, and it reduces the temperature in the garden also, because this evaporation of the water body, and birds also come and drink water from here. So you can create lot of life support, enhance the quality of life of your other creatures in your garden by getting one of these aquatic tubs. And it comes in various sizes and all. This is the size I recommend if the garden is a little bit bigger. And one more thing, these lilies and all need sunlight. So if you need a sunny spot, 3-4 hours of direct sunlight is needed, otherwise the lily won't flower. And it's zero maintenance. All you have to do is once or twice a year you can fertilize a little bit. Ready-made stuff is available, and then whenever the water evaporates too much, you can top it up. Otherwise it's self-maintaining. There's no work at all. And along with that, this lily, we normally add a couple of other plants in our nursery. That is, one is this Bacopa moneri, that Brahmi, then one of the aquatic fern. This is good for the dragonflies to perch. So it's a multi-species, look green and nice, and refresh the eyes also, aesthetics.